Today, we're doing a deep dive into a corner of commercial real estate that, well, you might be overlooking. We're talking a $200 billion sector where some really savvy Chicago investors are quietly making some big moves.
That's right. Yeah, forget the shiny office towers for a minute. We're digging into industrial outdoor storage. IOS for short. Think of it as like the hidden foundation of the physical economy. It's basically industrial land that's mainly used for storage outside.
Right. Minimal buildings.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Usually the buildings cover less than, say, 20–25% of the land, often just a small office space.
Gotcha. And for this deep dive, we've got some solid grounding. There's an article, Exposed, the $200 billion real estate goldmine top Chicago investors are silently hoarding. That's from ChicagoDealFlow.com. Thanks to Michael Linton and his team there.
And we're also leaning on Michael Linton's own experience. I mean, 38 years as a commercial real estate broker and investor right here in Chicago. That's deep knowledge.
Definitely. So our mission today is really to understand why iOS is suddenly such a big deal, especially here in Chicago.
Yeah, what makes these, seemingly simple plots of land so attractive, and what do you really need to know about this market?
Okay, so industrial outdoor storage.
Yeah.
Sounds simple enough, but what's really involved besides, just open space, and what's fueling this massive $200 billion valuation?
Well, it really boils down to the land itself, and crucially, the improvements on that land.
Okay.
Like the article points out, the value isn't so much in big structures, but in things like heavy-duty pavement, good security fencing, easy access points. Colliers actually defines it pretty well: industrial sites with a big outdoor component for storage or maybe heavy industrial use or truck parking. The real key is location in those land features.
So it's less about fancy warehouses and more about the practical essential yards that keep things moving.
Precisely. There's a Chicago firm, Industrial Outdoor Ventures, they put it nicely. Basically, almost every product or service you use, think about your toothpaste this morning, or roof shingles for a construction site.
Right.
They probably rely on these kinds of facilities somewhere along the line for delivery staging, infrastructure support, simple storage. It's kind of the unseen backbone.
Huh. Never really thought about it that way. So if I were looking at an iOS property, what are the typical features I'd see?